The Astra 400 is a straight blowback pistol. It shares other characteristics of the Campo-Giro, such as a cylindrical slide moving within frame grooves and a barrel-mounted recoil spring. It has a grip safety operated by a flat spring. The hammer is located internally, the barrel secured to the frame by a series of lugs. The breechblock is an integral section of the slide forging, and a removable barrel bushing is fitted to the slide's forward end. Other features, such as the sliding sear located at the rear of the hammer, the clever grip safety ratchet that locks the sear, the vertically moving slide stop, and the desirable L-shaped pins, may have been Astra developments. The trigger bar cannot recapture the sear until the trigger is released and the disconnector again rises into the slide notch. Therefore, the pistol cannot be fired unless the slide is fully closed. The independent slide stop signals that the pistol is empty. It is operated by a step on the magazine follower. The Astra's heavy-gauge steel magazine is of seamless construction. Its long, heavy slide is not entirely a liability. The weight and its distribution promotes steady holding and good muzzle control. The massiveness offers a great margin of safety. The length permits a long sighting radius. This pistol was technically able to shoot with 9mm stare, 9mm parabellum, 9mm short, 9mm glissini, and 38 super. It was the standard auxiliary weapon of the Army since 1921 to the Spanish Civil War, 1936 to 1939, and was also used by Germany during World War II. It was also the official pistol of El Cuerpo de Carabineros del Reino/Regular Police, 1921, Cuerpo de Prisioneros/Jail Officers, 1922, Armada/Navy, 1923, Cuerpo de Vigilancia y Seguridad de la Zona del Protectorado de Marruecos/Surveillance and Security Corps of Morocco Protectorate, 1931, Aviation/Air Force, 1931, Inspectors de Vigilancia del Ministerio de Marina/Surveillance Agents of Navy Department, 1933, and Guardia Presidencial/Presidential Guard, 1936. The pistol served in other forces as the Chilean Navy in 1930, 842 units, and the German Army during World War II, 6,000 units, called P642, primarily used the smaller variant Astra 300, and the Wehrmacht later altered the Astra 400 into the Astra 600 to better handle the 9mm parabellum. The Astra 400 remained the standard Spanish military pistol until after World War II, when it was finally replaced by the Super Star from Echeverria of Ibar. The Star is also in 9mm Largo, but has a fully locked breech and is externally similar to the 1911 Colt 45. A few was made in 765mm Parabellum and 763mm Mauser. 106,175 pistols had been produced. Replaced in 1946 by Superstar, Star Model A and version Super. Designed by Don Pedro Carrega Garagarza and Juan Esperanza Salvador, and also patented by Don Pedro Carrega Garagarza under number 68209. Modified in 1921.